Our topic for today is sentence and its kind. We read different kind of sentences in books daily. Today, through this video, we will learn about sentence and its kinds. Before moving on to our topic, let us first read a very beautiful thought which I really wanted to share with you. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. This thought means that hard work only leads to success. The people who work hard, they only achieve success at last. So let's come to our topic. The first question which arises in our mind is that what is a sentence? To understand about sentence, let's first have a look at this table. Now see, on the left hand side, some group of words are given. Okay, now these group of words are not complete in themselves. They do not have any sense. They do not show or reveal any meaning. See, let's go through it. First is naughty a girl, Rima is. Number 2, peacocks feels the dancing are in. Whereas on the right hand side, we have arranged these group of words and then they make a meaningful sentence. See, Rima is a naughty girl. It is making sense now. So we can term it as a sentence. In the second also, peacocks are dancing in the fields. These two are making proper sentence as they have now proper meaning. So is it clear that when a group of words are arranged, then they can be termed as a sentence? Now see, let's go through this definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Some examples are given. Ram is a good boy. It is making sense. Mia plays with doll. The gardener waters the plants. So in these three type of sentences, we come to know that a sentence begins with the capital letter and it ends with the full stop. Now let's come on to kind of sentences. There are mainly 5 types of sentences. We will go through them one by one. First is a declarative sentence. Now what is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence simply makes a statement or expresses an opinion. These are the sentences which we use in our common daily lives, and they are of 2 types. Declarative sentences are of 2 types. Now let's go through the example of declarative sentence. First, Sunil wants to become a doctor. So this sentence, through this sentence, we come to know that Sunil wants to become a doctor. It is telling us something, this sentence. It is giving us some information. So the sentence which states something or which tells about something, it is a declarative sentence. Second one, Radha is not a good singer. It tells about Radha, that Radha is not a good singer. Again, the second sentence is also telling us about some information. So I hope it is clear to all that what is a declarative sentence. Any sentence which tells about something or which states something is known as declarative sentence. Now next we will come on to 2 types of declarative sentences. The first one is the positive sentence and the second is the negative sentence. So let's have a look at this table again. First is Ram likes milk in the positive. But in the negative, it will become Ram doesn't like milk. Second, she will go to Bombay tomorrow. She will not go to Bombay tomorrow. It is raining heavily. It is not raining heavily. Rahul loves to play cricket. Rahul does not love to play cricket. So, see, positive sentences are the simple sentences which we use in our daily lives, okay? But when we change the positive into negative, we use doesn't, not, does not, no. So then they become negative sentences. So this is very simple, and I hope it is again clear to everyone regarding positive and negative sentences. Now our next type of sentence is the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence, it includes a command, advice, or a request. See the further example which are given below. First is shut the door. This sentence shows order. Second one, please give me a glass of water. This sentence again shows request. Third, you should work hard. It is showing some advice. So these sentences again which include command, advice, request, they are termed as imperative sentence. Now a third type of sentence, very simple, that is the interrogative sentence. It is also known as question asking sentence. And they begin with this type of sentences. They begin with who, what, where, when, whom, why, how, do. And they end with a question mark. Okay, you can easily recognize the interrogative sentences. There is a question mark at the end of these sentences. Now see the examples. When will you come back from market? Question mark. Clear? What are they doing? Question mark. Do you have some money? Question mark. So we can easily come to know that they are interrogative sentences. Now our fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. See, this is the exclamation mark. So an exclamatory sentence is a sentence which expresses a strong emotions or feelings, such as feelings of surprise, anger, frustration, love, happiness, sadness, and they end with an exclamation mark. See the examples. It will be more clear to you. This puzzle is driving me up the wall. This sentence expresses frustration. So it is an exclamatory. In the second one, I am really going to miss my mom. This sentence shows sorrow. Third one, I have won the match. It expresses happiness. You are adorable. This sentence expresses love. So sentences which expresses our different feelings, they are known as exclamatory sentences. Just keep this exclamation mark in your mind. Now the next and the last one is a optative sentence. So optative sentences are those which express wish, keen desire, curse, or a prayer, that are known as optative sentences. So you can go through this definition again, and sometimes optative sentences, they end with an exclamation mark. You have to be careful, okay? They are, so let's go through these examples. And they begin with may or wish. These type of optative sentences, they begin with may or wish. See the examples. First one, may God bless you all. It is showing prayer, so it is an optative sentence. Second one, wish you a very happy birthday. It is a wish. Third one, curse is there. May God ruin your everything. Curse is there in this sentence. May the Almighty help in this tragedy. Exclamation mark is there. Don't get confused in exclamatory or optative. See, it is a prayer and it is starting with may. Okay, so it is a optative sentence. Now, I hope all the sentences are clear to you, and now let's go through a small test. Now, first, honestly, just go through these sentences, pause your video and just go through these sentences and try to solve them. Now, I hope you have done with your sentences, solutions. Now, let's try to solve our sentences. See, the first one, let's start with the first one. Complete your homework just now. What type of sentence it is? It is an imperative sentence as it shows order. Second one, what are you doing? Question mark is there. Starting with what? So it is a interrogative sentence. Third one, you should obey your parents. What is there in this sentence? Advice is there. So it is an imperative sentence. May you achieve your goals. Starting with may, it is a optative sentence showing prayer. How beautiful this city is. It is showing happiness. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Are you ready to go? Again, question mark is there. Interrogative sentence. The sun revolves around the earth. It is stating something, telling us something, giving us information. So it is a declarative sentence. Last one, Ram is not going to school. It is a simple sentence, that is a affirmative, we can say declarative, but negative type. Clear? Students, thank you all for watching my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to get updated with my channel.